Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up online payments for Jobber app. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I'm on the official Jobber website. So to set up Jobber payments, go to the gear icon, settings, and then Jobber payments. There are going to be two steps to setting up Jobber payments. So first of all, you have to verify your business details, and then you have to set up the bank account where you will receive your deposits, and that's about it. So you will have to go to this page and verify your business details. So click on get started and follow the simple prompts and enter your information correctly. And once you have done that, just link your bank account, and yeah, this is how you do it. And once your business details are entered, your bank account is connected, you will see your Jobber payment settings. So just enable all of these options, and yeah, that's about it. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.